Hi you guys, I wanted to come to you really quick and show you this thing I got on Amazon. This is the instructions booklet, but doesn't really tell you what it is. It's rotisserie prawns. So you can make a chicken, you can make a turkey leg, you can make a turkey, whatever you want. You don't need any extra tools, nothing. Just everything that it comes with. I'll show you everything that it comes with, and then we'll show you a little cooking later. Here's everything you get. These are the two different grill grates. This is the base where it's wood burning. Here is the arm for the prongs. Here are the legs and the other pieces and the instructions, and then all the little tools and pieces that you need are going to be in here. No extra tools are needed. Here I am just putting the legs on. I won't bore you with all four of them, but they're repeated one after the other. Here's the first one. Okay, all four legs are on, and next I'm going to put the posts in on the side that you'll use to slide the brackets for the grates down. Super easy installation. Thought I'd show a little close up here how easy it is to use the Allen wrench to screw in the bolt. Now I'm installing on each of the four sides of the bottom part of the grill is a protective bar. It basically just protects you from bumping into the grill. Next here is the base for the first grill grate. You just slide it down, and then you take the grill grate itself and you slide it right in. There's two brackets on either side of the square that will hold it from moving. And then there's just two pins. It's adjustable. There's different holes, different heights that you can put it at, and you just insert the pin where you want it.